My name is Devin, and this is a tutorial on how to do a knuckleball. When shooting a knuckleball, you will use this part of your foot right here to strike the ball right below its logo. But if you hit it too high, the ball will go flat. If you hit the ball too high, it will go straight and have no lip. If you hit the ball too low, the ball will go high.
Goal!